Welcome back, my second grade scientists and engineers. Okay, so we have been working on making our flower model, right? And we've also been, there's my flower model, and working on just sketching out and designing a possible hand pollinator. Now, this lesson is called 2 Scoops Are Better Than 1. And if we were in the classroom, what I'd have us do is work in a team and share ideas and really come up with, hey, that's a great idea. You know, really 2 scoops are better than 1, meaning 2 brains are better than 1. It's always best to work with a partner. If you know someone in your class and you have the ability to work virtually and your parents are okay with it, see if you can set up a time and share your designs over a virtual space. Otherwise, don't worry, I'm going to share a bunch of designs with you so you can take that and redesign your model if you would like to. So, what in the world could be better than 1 scoop of ice cream? 2 scoops, right? How many of you love ice cream? Me too, and I love it because our vanilla flour is important for making vanilla ice cream. And a lot of times we start with vanilla ice cream and add all those awesome flavors in. Okay, so you have your model of your vanilla flour. We haven't changed that. And then you should have come up with 2 designs for your hand pollinator. Now, I went back and decided my favorite one was just using a pencil with a tassel and just using some tape. Very simple. Actually, I already made it. Okay. Now, I haven't done anything. I haven't tested it. I'm not getting there yet to find out how much pollen I can get. But what I would do is I'd be sharing this with my partner and say, hey, this is my idea. What's yours? So let me see what some other student examples are. So let's go ahead. We're going to look at number 1 towards the top. It looks like they have a Q-tip. It looks like something might be added onto it at the end. It's a little pink bulb. And then there's some maybe straw and like a part of a metal piece, maybe a paper clip. So they must be using that to go ahead down their slender flower, right? Number 2 is a little different. If you look at the end, it looks like maybe a straw or a toothpick with little small balls. Those little squishy pom-pom balls, right? So they must glue that on, and then they have a part at the top that they hold on to, unless that's the part that goes in the flower. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm looking at this the wrong way. I wish I had our student experts here to discuss. Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 3. Kind of similar to number 2, right? They use pom-pom balls. Looks like a toothpick. It looks like tape or foil, or I'm going to guess that goes down. Okay, number 4, very simple. They're just using a Q-tip with something, it looks a little fuzzy, that pink part in the middle. What do you think? Number 5, what do they use? A popsicle stick, and if you look closely, it looks like one of the pom-pom balls. Pom-pom balls were very popular here. Number 6 sort of looks like a paintbrush, but it looks like a Q-tip bound together with maybe a pipe cleaner or a chenille stick and a toothpick. Looks like a paintbrush to me. Number 7, wow, look at that colorful one. It looks like it's just a bunch of pipe cleaners all kind of tangled together. Could work. It might be hard to get in there because it's not necessarily straight, right? That could possible constraint or a possible problem, huh? Now, number 8. How do you think they used that one? Maybe like a fishing rod? Which end would go into the flower? The one with the blue or the sharp pokey end? The one with the blue, why? Fuzzy should hopefully pick up pollen, right? So hopefully you look at these and go, I like that idea. Maybe I'll use it. Or maybe you don't like their ideas and you want to use the one you've already come up with, or you have a whole different idea. That is fine. And you are welcome to rechange your model. Today, what you're going to be doing is come up with your new best idea. And there's guiding questions for you to think about when you make your new best idea. I think I'm still sticking with my best idea. I'm wondering, actually, now that I look at it, if I should add another or like surround it with tassels. What do you think? Surround it? Or would that be too much? I'll have to think about this. Decide maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. It's a hard question. I really got to think about my design and how it's going to work. That's what I want you to do. So you're going to redraw your best idea. And you can make changes as you need to. Remember to record whatever materials. On slide 2, there's a brace map there, and you're just going to write down what materials you need to build your hand pollinator. So a pencil, tassel, and tape for me. And then look at your model now. What makes it the best model design for our problem? So I'm going to talk about that it's slender. It will fit into the flower. I think this little soft part will pick up pollen, but I don't know, maybe the pollen would get trapped in there and then really have a hard time coming off. Good questions to think about, right? So I needed to go ahead and design that. Once you come up with your best pollinator, you can go ahead and build it. And I can't wait to see your pollinators next. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.